Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Secret Teaching Star. In this tutorial, I want to inspire you. I try to inspire you by some new facts. So, how to inspire yourself? Let's start. Set your daily reminder to inspire yourself. How do you set? So, 7 things always to be remembered. In this tutorial, I will tell you 7 things that you need to always remember. The first one is all positivity in, all negativity out. Yeah, what? All positivity in, all negativity out means always think positive, be positive, let your attitude in a positive way. So, if you want to say in line, I never done it before. Instead of saying I never done it before, you can say it chance to learn something new. What? It chance to learn something new. So, in a positive way, you can say that. The next is opinions do not define you. Opinions do not define you. No one can judge you. No one can define yourself. Only you can. So, when someone judges you, just say them. Your opinion is not my reality. Your opinion is not my reality. The next is everyone's journey is different. Everyone's journey is different. Everyone lives in different way. Everyone journey is different. Someone gonna happy, someone gonna be sad. So don't compare yourself to others. Stop comparing yourself to others and just enjoy your life in a new day. Every day is a new day. Every day you feel happy. Next one is overthinking leads to sadness. Overthinking leads to sadness. So stop overthinking. Today's our most of the youth's problem is overthinking. Overthinking leads to sadness. Replaying the situation would not change the things. Replaying the situation would not change the things. So please stop overthinking. Next is happiness is found within. Search your happiness within yourself. Okay? So never search your happiness in others. It make you feel alone. Search your happiness within yourself. It make you feel happy even when you are alone. So search your happiness within yourself. Positive attitude create positive outcomes. Positive attitude create positive outcomes. That's the reason why I'm saying always think positive, be positive, take your attitude in a positive way. Next is be thankful. Be thankful to God, be thankful to yourself, be thankful to your parents, and be thankful for everything God do you have. Don't feel guilty, don't feel upset, don't feel sad for the things that you have not. So always be thankful. Be present and be thankful for all the things do you have. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my session, please like, share and subscribe.